Students, today we are going to discuss with you class 10th politics, and it is the lesson 6 political parties, and student, it is the fourth part of this lesson. It is the fourth video of this lesson. So students, under this lesson, what is the topic? On which topic we will discuss in this video? That is, first we will try to understand what is the means national political party. So students, first we will try to understand what is the national political party. Second, recognized national party. Which party you can say as the recognized? What is the criteria? We will try to understand. And third, we will try to understand what is the means state party. That means which types of criteria, which types of condition has been important by the election commission for state party. That means who can registered, who can enrollment to their under the state party or state elections. So students, and very important factor also we will try to discuss parties reformed. And last point that we will discuss, that is a challenge of political parties. Under that we will try to understand lack of internal democracy, muscles, money and muscles power, meaningful choice. So students, these are points on which today we will discuss under this video so many important things. So first we will try to understand what is the means of national political party. So students, which party have a power to contest the election as the national level, that party is called as the national political party. For example, they have a power to contest a election as a parliament, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. So students, which party have a power to contest election in Lok Sabha mostly? In Raj Sabha have a something system different. I will told just to you students. Now we will try to understand what is the criteria, what is the condition by which any party have a power, have a right to recognize as a national party. So students, it is the main object, main fact which we should be understand very seriously. If any party secure 6% of vote and win 4 seats in assembly election, that party may recognize as a state party. Students, listen next. If any party secure 6% of vote and win 2 assembly seats in the state assembly elections, that party recognized as the state party. We try to understand about national party. So students, which party secure 6% of the vote in national election as a Lok Sabha seat, and or if they secure 6% vote in 4 states or and win 4 seats of central election from Lok Sabha, that party may recognized as the national party. Student, understand very seriously. It is not complicated. It's a very easy. Try to understand very frequently. So students, next we will try to understand what is this. First, if any party can get 6% of the vote in state election and he win 2 seats also, that party may be recognized as a state party. And if any party, students, secure 6% of vote in national election or 4 state elections and win 4 Lok Sabha seats, that party may recognized as a national party. So students, these are criteria which has been decided by the election commission. So in here we will try to understand some major party which has been recognized as a national party. So students, if we will try to understand account of the 2004, in this time which has been party is recognized as a national party. So students, that time the party which was Indian National Congress, it was as a national party. And second, students, very famous party nowadays which you are watching very many work, that is a BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. It is also has been recognized as a national party. And BSP, students, Bahujan Samaj Party, this party also has recognized as a national party. And other party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, this is the also a national party, students. And other party, Communist Party of India, CPI, this is also a national party, students. And other party which is a national party, that is a National Congress Party, NCP you can say. This is the also national party of our country. So students, these are 6 national party which has been recognized in our country under the election commission as a national party. I think you already know which extra power has been get to national party or state party. That is simple, I am telling to you. National party have a power to contest election as a national Lok Sabha seat or in all place of your country as a legislature assembly seats also. But recognized states assembly party, that means state party, this party can have a chance, have a right to contest election in concerning states. This is the main thing, main object. And a very important thing also we should be understand. If state party has been recognized in UP or in Bihar, if any states, they can contest election of Vidhan Sabha, that means you can say as a MLA or MP also to concerning states. And which has been registered, enrolled as a central, they can contest election Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha in all over the country. This is the main difference between state party and central party. State party can contest all election in the state, central party can contest all election in the central. That means in your country. So students, we will discuss these 2 points. Recognized national party which has been recognized, that I have told you 6 recognized party. Now which important fact we try to discuss about state party. Also we have discussed now just state party which has get 6% of vote and win 2 assembly seats. They has been recognized, they sure to be recognized by the election commission as a state party. And central party, already you have to understand national party. For example, if we will try to understand state party, Samajwadi Party, Janata Dal, and many like states, you can say your UP, Punjab, Bihar, and many other states as a territorial or state-wise party has been present. About state party, we should be understand some party has been as a state level, which has been famous as a central also, but they has been recognized, they has been registered only as a state party. That like that party also has been present many in our country. So students, we try to understand about very important matter, that is a party's reform. So student, party reform. Before understanding party reform, we will try to understand last point, that is a challenge of political party. So students, we try to understand what is the means to challenge, which types of challenge has been present for political parties in our country, which are facing our people, which are facing to all citizens in our country. So students, that are first, lack of internal democracy. In maximum parties, when they has been famous, they present in the governments, they try to careless to their party member. They don't care to all members which has been related to their party. Some top leaders, they try to take all decision in which place which work has been important, which work is very best for which place, which types of candidate is important to which place. Everything deciding is going to by some specific persons. This is the challenge of political party. Pupils, members, citizens which has been belong, which continuously working concerning party, they have no power. They don't understand what they try to do, which types of work has been important. It should be do by their party, but party take the decision something other which has been deciding by their top leaders. This is the challenge. So students, this is the matter of democracy. All party have in your country system have a democratic. Party has registered as a democratic, but in party system of democracy you cannot find. They don't try to decide, they don't try to take a decision by as a democratic system. They take decision by some specific leader. Other point, students, money or muscles powers. Party try to take a decision, party give the tickets to the persons who have a more money, who have a muscles power, which persons have a capacity, who can win the election. They try to decide, they try to choose who have a power, who have a money, who have a muscles power, and who can control the citizens voting procedure. This system has been applied from many times to in many parties, students. Party try to decide these candidates have so much money, they can control, they can capture, they can adjustment all citizens, all voters which belong to different caste. This has been as a criteria to deciding the candidates by the political party. So students, this is the not fair for democratic system. In democracy should be any persons can take the ticket, any person sure should be give the ticket by the political party, but this system is not. You can find out in your country in many parties. One many fact also has been given by the election commission to all parties. Election commission have given the direction. You try to give some specific, some percentage of ticket to the women also. But they don't try to decide. They don't give the ticket according to their percentage. They try to choose which place women has been as a powerful place, as a source money like that, so and so. That place they try to give the tickets. They choose their contesting candidate as a ladies, as a women. This is the not as a democratic system. In democratic system, all persons have a equal right, equal power. All persons should give the ticket also to the political party. But this is the matter, not matter of so simple, because they try to understand what to be result of this. They are watching which types of trend, which types of system is running on nowadays to country. So students, last points, meaningful choice. This is the matter of that main thing concerning party. They try to choose some relative of the political leaders, some persons who belong to a specific caste, some persons who have belonged to special religions. This is the matter of choosing the candidates by the political party. In some sentence you can say there is not as a matter of democratic system, as a not matter of all persons have a equality. They try to take a decision which may be win. Which may be win. It may be these types of regarding to this caste, which caste majority has been present to this place. So students, last very important point which we are going to discuss, that is a party reform. So students, in many time you may find out in your country, election has been completed, many candidate has been win to one party, many candidate has been win to other party, some candidate has been win to different other parties also. But after just party candidate try to transfer themselves in other party. Party candidates which has been select, which has been elected by the people, they try to change the party. They transfer to themselves from BJP to Congress, Congress to Samajwadi Party, Samajwadi Party to BSP Party. Like that, so many other example you have to find out in your history. In previous time, many party has get best position, but have not get as a majority. The candidate which has been which they failing, what's to be future. Our party is not under the majority. Second party is going to make government. We will present, we will live 5 years as a best, as a opposition party. So they try to change to the self. They try to change the party. So students, before some times our constitutional systems, our decision making systems has a create a special rule for changing party of the candidates. A specific system has been decided. If so many persons, so many candidate will transfer one party to other candidate, their winning position to be terminated, winning position to be cancelled. They will be as a not winning. This system has been applied before sometimes, but now also you can find out the transferring system in many parties to parties is looking. This is the not a best a fair system of political party. It is the not best a fair system of the democratic system. So students, this was point which we have discussed now. So it is the last video of this lesson, students. So many points we have discussed under this video. So last 3 video we have discussed also many points concerning these lessons. So students, if you like this video, if you feel you have got many things under this video, so students, like to this channel, to this video, and subscribe also, students. So thank you, and thank you very much, students.